This video answers the query how to buy shares of ARMOUR Residential REIT Inc. and explains the practical steps. ARMOUR Residential REIT Inc. specializes in residential mortgage-related assets and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker arranged by. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To proceed, you will need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the workflow. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to your account before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ARR or the company name. Select the listing that clearly references ARMOUR Residential REIT Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the basic company description and view the price chart. Make sure the page shows NASDAQ and the arranged by ticker to confirm it is the correct security. Click the Buy or Invest button, choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review your order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading resumes. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro and extra resources is available in the video description below.